Done?
Yep.
All right. Welcome everyone, and this is another episode of Hall of Fame where we have another student cracking 35% hike after 6 months of gap, and that too in a manufacturing domain, which is very, very difficult. And in industry where you will find very few opening, that is number one. And number two is it works through the relationship branding and the connection. And that's where this student of CAM has made wonders. He got 35% hike over and above his obviously 7-digit plus salary that he was getting, and he got 16 years of experience. So let me bring him up. Thank you very much for joining in and help us understand what made you to probably come to CAM.
Hello, Rakesh, and hello, everyone. What made me to come to CAM? So, uh, Generally, on my birthday, I used to, plan to invest something on myself. Either buy a book or go for, some certification and this way. So this time I came across Rakesh, your ad, and I thought, this is the right time in August, in my birthday, and I think this time I can do something different. So I enrolled for your program as a birthday gift to myself. And the aim is, I was looking for or aspiring for the growth to move to the next level. And I think the vibes or the message you given is, is really hit me into the target. So this is, my aspiration to grow to next level is which landed me to the camp.
Wonderful. Wonderful to hear. Somebody is actually making self-investment on the birthday, guys. This is the lesson that everyone needs to learn from this student, at least, to understand that you can invest. The best gift that you can give on your birthday is self-investment, right? That's number one.
Yep.
So help me understand, how did CAM help you? Maybe a top 3 or 5 things that actually turn around the story for you, how you were before and how it has helped you to become the person that you are today.
Sure, Rakesh. I think you made it, difficult for me to pick only 3, but there are many. But I think I will leverage it because this is my time, and I got it, after 8 months while connecting with you. So I think the very quick implementation, which I mentioned, you don't need to, go through complete course. Only you need to connect with the frequency which Rakesh is having. Effective use of LinkedIn. So understand what is SSI, what is your all-star profile, and strengthen your network. So this is very easy. I think I see that thing work for me very well. And learning from other experience. We having a weekly or bi-weekly QA session, which is, not easily you will get anywhere. And second thing, special guest lecture. I know it's not easy to get a special lecture. Rakesh, you have put many efforts, and connect with those. If I see, I want to connect with the guests. It's not easy for me, even though if I send them, LinkedIn request, I might not get accepted. So I think the special guest lecture on personal branding, graphology, and interview secret, those are, top 3, which is real meaningful. And the most important is, Rakesh, your experience, the industry-wide experience which you are carrying, the, international links which you have with the leadership. You are sharing the same message to us. So those are, you never spend any cost to get it. So which is, I never compare with anything else. And the third one is, help in the CV. I'm having a 16-year experience. After, if we go back to 16 years, the CV is totally different, right? So the way you help us in to build the CV and work on it is really a great way, which I can say. A quick 3 things which I might needed it, and I get it in a day 1 after I joined the camp. But if I go for, the real crux, when it comes to job, so you never guarantee me, Amit, you will get a better job. You guarantee me to, Amit, you can build a career, right? So it's not about me, I landed up into the job. It's about me, the career now. I'm not looking for the job, I'm looking for my career. So this is the one thing. Second thing which I came to know, the importance of the network.
Yes.
And you mentioned many times, the network is a net worth.
Yes.
So I think this is the one thing which always stay with me. And another thing, same thing. Before 16 years, the interviews are different. Now the interview skills we need to refine. And in CAM, in one way, you got all those many questions. I'm sure if you prepare on all those questions, nobody going to ask you beyond those things. The way you put your effort into creating those questions, not only creating the questions, but how to answer those questions. So that's what the most important thing which I think I had learned from CAM.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Really, really appreciate that. And help me understand, somebody is looking for CAM or somebody is already into the as a student in the CAM. What message would you actually give him?
So so I think I will add from the two different perspective. One, when you are very new, but you are aspiring to grow. You never go through any training. You just, like me, you give yourself as a gift. Okay, let's spend something. So go through the course, right? This course is with us for a year, and you don't need to spend time. It's not a something book you need to read. You need to play the video. I used to, when I go to the morning walk, uh, rather than listening to the songs, it's better to listen to the Rakesh, right? So for me personally, I had gone through a different section multiple times, not only once. Once I go through it quickly, I want to understand, okay, what is there?
Absolutely.
The way Rakesh is promoting, what is there? I go through it, I like it. I implemented, maybe initially I implemented 25% things. Then I again go through it, I made it to the 50% of the things. This is how I utilize that online platform, to go through it multiple times. The interview session, the negotiation session, I had gone through the multiple time. Before each interview I planned, let me go through it, let me go through it. So this is my first message for the members who are not much aware what is CAM and not aware about it. You can go through it, once, and take a faith on Rakesh. You can, no, if not on a Rakesh, we have a group, we have a family. You will see many messages about the success story. Take a faith into those. This, if those things work for others, this is going to work for you also. Second thing, I mentioned to Rakesh also, you will not get all these things into one place.
True.
There is no book which will help you with all those things. So the way the CAM has structured or the created is in a very beautiful way. From the starting, how to create a blueprint for your success, listening to the video, you are referring the books also, and all those, CV template, and each and everything is there. You had a question, it's kind of a self-driven. So once you enter it, you need to make sure you are working on it. So I make my blueprint. I know, in interview, how to introduce yourself. It's not about me. So the way how to introduce, and every small nuggets which I can say, which make a big difference, is created in that course. And these things, is kind of, there is one saying, Rakesh, you might know, there is a one mechanic, they hire him to repair the ship, and he go to the ship and he just knock the hammer at one point, and he asked for a bill of $1,000. When the owner asked, okay, can you give us the bifurcation of it, he mentioned $1 to hit the hammer, $999 where to hit the hammers. So I think the way you put the things are in that way, is experience. You will not get easily. It's experience, which is where to hit the right thing. So I think this is definitely going to help everyone, I can say.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I understand that a lot of people are interested, and a lot of people are today. I think I'm very proud and honored to serve those 1400 plus members, right, in the community. But somewhere people do lose the track. Like, for example, you have been coming to the calls consistently. How important is this mastermind play in your role, in your career? How does it play a role?
So I will tell you, when you are in a professional, you might go through different trainings, right? Where you learn the things only for your organization structure way. But the forum which Rakesh you had created is learning from those many professional is really going to add a lot of value, because being a human being, I am not able to think in all the direction,
Absolutely.
right? Uh, so the challenges which you faced might be, now I
Yeah.
might going to face into some other part of my dream, and maybe someone already faced that challenge and he took the decision. So I think learning from, the same thing here, I always mention, I don't need to reinvent the wheel. If Rakesh already had the design of the wheel, I have to use it.
True.
So I really found, Rakesh, your experience and other team members' experience, the way they share, the way they ask the questions is really helpful. So I think the community is really required. I was very curious. I had a reminder set. Sometime, Rakesh said, okay, we have a meeting on these day, but he might not send us the Zoom calendar and all those things, right? But I know meeting is there. I know I have my phone. I can just copy the link and put a notice for me, so that whether Rakesh send me meeting calendar or not, I know I have to join this. So I think this I took as my personal responsibility. I want to grow myself, and this is my responsibility. Yes, Rakesh is helping me, but he's not going to be everywhere with me to hold my hand to sit with me into the interview. So I use it. I took that personal step to finish the camp, to actively attend the sessions, and to actively ask the question and listen,
Absolutely.
listen to the members who are asking it and what are the feeling behind them, because they really share the real time problems which I might be lucky I have not faced, or might I going to face in my future time. So I think this is one thing which you will not get from anyone. Maybe in your organization you have your boss, he will not share all the secret with you.
True, true. And help me understand how Amit is transformed. Like I'm sure there was a different Amit before you actually got into CAM. And what is the difference that you see in Amit now?
So I can say the mindset is changed, Rakesh. The one word, the mindset.
Okay.
How to prepare, how to aspire. I generally, everybody, I want to grow, but where you want to grow? The same thing, the stranger secret, they give a very good example about the ship. If you have a ship and you have a pilot and you have a map in front of it, there are 99.99% chances he will reach the destination.
True.
But there is a ship, you start it. So I was a ship, I started myself, मुझे grow करना है. Where to grow? And so I think so this is very quick. I got that mindset, I got the direction. You serve me as a light post, as a north pole for me. Okay, there is the direction, so I need to go into that direction and I need to build my blueprint. I don't want to just switch the job or move to the job. I want to look for my career. So I think you and the camp program is really helped me into building that mindset, and I think these things going to remain with me for lifelong. How to aspire, how to put effort into the right direction. So I think in very quick word, that's the mindset which I think I had able to develop while I associated with you.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Really, really grateful for that. And if I have to ask you very, very simple, like there are a lot of mid-career professionals who come into the training as such, right? To uh, with an aspiration, or they are searching for a job, they're not getting the breakthrough, or probably they don't have a clarity, they are stuck in their career, or they are facing the challenges within the organization as well and getting stuck. And I'm sure the CAM addresses every aspect of it. but a lot of people have their own set of doubts, their own set of apprehensions that they are not able to overcome. What kind of message do you want to give to those professionals who are just, I mean, coming in touch with me, or for that matter, the career acceleration per se?
So I think so. One thing is sure, Rakesh. Today I am sitting here. Maybe I had an opportunity. That's why I never sharing that pressure. But I had gone through that phase. How to prepare. Yourself. And as you mentioned, every job is different. Every job interview is different. I need to prepare for each and everything. I'm not going to get spin ball every time. Sometimes it's a bouncer, sometimes it's going to be googly, sometimes it's going to be no ball also. So I need to prepare myself. So I think the CAM program and is very much helping me. It's not promising you will get a job. It helped me to self tune myself from the last 16 years, which things I have not learned, how I can learn from it, right? And in CAM program, it's not a traditional अरे ये question कर लो, ये कर लो, you will get a job. If you talk to any of your friend or senior, they will tell you, "Arey, prepare on this, you will get a job." But here, the both things are available. If you want to grow inside the organization, how to grow. If you want to get another opportunity, how to develop your network, how to prepare for interview, how to do all those minor things which shows, which put you into that limelight where other member want you to be in his or her team or in that position. So I think that is very helpful. And guys, keep putting your effort. Keep self tuning yourself. Okay, what is something which is missing, which I need to solve that puzzle by putting that missing piece. And whenever I given any interview after that, I found okay, something I missed this time, something I missed, and again go through the CAM program, again understand, okay, I think I can answer this in a better way. So this is how I write. I have a complete book for me, which is not with me. I had write about 8 organizations for which I'm going to go for a discussion. I prepare all my answers very well, even though from the introduction point, tell me something about you. What is I am, how I am. So I'm going to tell on that part. So how to answer each and every specific questions, how to correlate your profile with the job description. Because Rakesh, you mentioned multiple times, the interview is not about yourself or about the individual who's taking the interview. It's about the job description. So prepare according to that and give your best for each interview and enjoy that. I think this is the something you need to share your experience, and how your experience is going to be beneficial for other. You need to create that value. So these are the things, Rakesh, which you clearly shared with us, and I think I used it effectively.
Wonderful. And how about the master stroke that you use to get into this position?
So I mentioned everyone, attend each and every session. Rakesh had arranged many sessions from the special guests. So it's not easy. I know I work with the corporate team, getting arrange one person as a special guest, how much effort we need to put, how much money we need to spend. I don't know how much effort Rakesh is putting on, on the backside. But I leverage it very well, attending those guest sessions, learning from them, because they share the experience from the industry wide. The experience which we are getting from Rakesh, he's having from the international leaders or from the industry wide, how much he is investing, I can't even guess. But I can use that experience which he had shared. In one of the session, he shared as a master stroke, if interview, you might not aware of all the answers, right? How to take care of those things. I was not able to, answer that question. I try my best self, but I know something is not able to convince. So I say, okay, interview is done after 1 hour. And I again look, I can answer it in a better way. So what I do, So I prepare for that question, my details and everything. And on the same night, I have sent to the interview panel. Like as per my experience, I have never gone through these things, but as per my competency, I know how to handle these things. And these are the something which I figured out. This is how we can, solve these challenges, and this is what are the things available. And definitely, if I given an opportunity, I think we can make it to the next level also. So I shoot up that email. I think this is really one trick which I was not aware past. I have not used it, and which I learned from the camp. How to show, you are the right person. You had a learning attitude. You can, go beyond the normal job description and all those things. So I think this is the master stroke which I can say I used, which I learned from Rakesh.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. I think it is really, really helpful to share your experience. And I know that while people feel that he got immediate success, it's not so, right? Amit had his own part of struggle, his own part of preparation, which went into it, repeated actions, right? Everything what he has shared is all talking about the actions that he has taken. It is not about only that CAM can show the light of the day and you just feel that, okay, I know it all. That attitude doesn't work. I believe after 16 years of experience, if somebody is ready to learn and act, that is what speaks a volume about his attitude about learning, right? And that's what I want to probably take it as a biggest takeaway from this Hall of Fame interview that you guys are watching right now. And if you're watching recording or otherwise live, I would want each and every one of you to put at least top 3 learning that you have learned from this session so that you can implement in your own career. You can probably be a part of it. There's a link below that, and you can be a part of this CAM movement as well, where you can grow faster. You can probably accelerate your growth in a much faster way than you can think about. Yes, any parting words?
Make sure, show your trust and faith in the camp. You had invested in this program, and Rakesh, he has the industry wide experience. Don't agree me. You can open his LinkedIn profile and you can check till what level he had reached, and how was, his LinkedIn overall profile and network connection. So this is one thing which I want to share. It's a, leap of faith, I can say. So trust in this, and practice makes you perfect. So every time, each interview is different. Go through it. Go through all the nuggets which was shared. Rakesh, give me very limited things you need to share, only top 3 or top 2, but there are many. If I can, we can continue for whole day. What are the learnings I made, and what are the aha moment for me in many things. But guys, only thing I show my faith and I trust in tough time, in good time also. And I'm still very much, open, to participate in all the QA session and everything, to learn further. This is not the end, as I mentioned. This is a journey started for me, and we need to keep learning, to move to the final destination, I can say.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for being in the Hall of Fame. Really, really appreciate the efforts that you have taken. And I'm sure that the reward that you got is just payback that you always deserve, right? So wish you all the best. And I'm sure you will take to the next level now, given that your clarity is there for the career vision, your efforts of learning continuously, and definitely to participate in the forums regularly. So that will take you to the next level. So just wanted to wish you all the best. Thank you very much, and wish you many, many success.
Thank you, Rakesh, and thank you, everyone.